So on this video I will going to share with you this makeup look, and I guess you all will going to love this makeup look. So this series will be going to about Durga Puja festive look wala makeup look, festive makeup look, and you can do this kind of makeup look wherever you want, and it's a very simple, very bold makeup look. And I mainly focused in my eyes more than my lips and these things. I just mainly focused on my eyes, and most of my videos I focused on my eyes only. So yeah, so this is the makeup look I will going to share with you on this video. So if you want to see if you want to achieve this makeup look, so continue watching, and I will going to make this kind of series continuously on this week only, because Durga Puja is coming. I will going to make this kind of more videos of makeup looks. And yeah, without wasting your time, let's get ahead. First I will going to wear this hairband, then let me bring my things which I needed for my makeup. So I washed my face before only when I am starting this video. After that, before that only I washed my face. So next what I will going to do is like moisturize my skin, and if you can apply some serums also. And if you are going outside in morning, then you should apply sunscreen. Today what I'm saying, I'm not going to apply sunscreen because it's night time. So I will going to just do my some of my skincare, then I will directly start with my makeup. So hello guys, I back to my voiceover. So at first I will going to apply a very good moisturizing product, which is aloe vera gel of Innisfree. It's a awesome product, and you need very good moisturizer before makeup or skincare. What it is, it's a very necessary product. So yeah, I want to apply all over my face. Then I will going to apply this Swiss Beauty primer. It's a versatile primer, and I love this primer a lot. It will give you a dewy finish, it will mattify your face, and it will also provide you a very good dewy finish, which I love a lot. I will going to apply it all over my face, and I guess you all should have this kind of primer, because it's very necessary. This kind of primer is very necessary whenever you need, you don't know. So the primer name is Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer, and it's a very good primer. It's brighten up your skin, modify pores, moisturize, and also a versatile, a very good primer. Then I will going to apply this Maybelline's concealer. It's also a very good concealer. Its name of it is Instant Age Divine Erase Multi-Use Concealer. It's a very good concealer. With this concealer I will going to cover my few pimples, and also I will apply it all over my eyelid and under eye also, under of my eyes also I want to apply it. So I will going to blend it up as well as I can, because blending is a very important and very necessary process in makeup look. In makeup, everything is only, I think everything is important for makeup. It's a very, I guess makeup is also a very hard thing to do. So yeah, I will going to blend it up as well as I can, and for makeup, blending is a very necessary thing. Then I will going to apply this Maybelline's foundation, Fit Me foundation. What I will say about this foundation, it's a versatile foundation. Everyone use this foundation, and I just love this foundation, and everyone knows about this foundation, and everyone use this foundation. I just love this foundation, and with this foundation I'm going to apply all over my face. I will not going to take huge quantity of this foundation or any foundation. I'm going to take little bit of foundation and going to blend it up my face, blend it up as well as I can on my face, and also the exposed area near my face like neck, ears, all over my face, all over my, and then I got statue sorry, all over my face. I thought to make this video with this sound, but it becoming a very long video, so I thought to put voiceover. It will be the best thing. So then I will going to conceal up my eyebrow area, near my eyebrow area, because I want to show my eyebrow. I want to highlight my eyebrows mainly. I want to highlight my eyebrows. So I will going to apply this concealer over up of my eyebrow and on the lower part of my eyebrow area. Then I am going to comb my eyebrow with this eyebrow brush. I am going to comb it up. Then I will going to blend the concealer. you can see I highlighted that part and it's looking very good, very good. And eyebrow is also a very important part for your makeup. If you don't comb your eyebrow, your full makeup look will going to be destroyed. And I want to look proper in my this makeup look. So I will going to apply eyebrow pencil. I will going to just the empty space which I have on my eyebrow. So I will going to do my eyebrows. The on my empty part of my eyebrows, I don't have empty part on my eyebrows. A bit I'm going to apply on my upper part of my eyebrows and on my end of my eyebrows. Then I will going to comb it up with the brush which it contained by itself only. The Swiss Beautica eyebrow pencil only contain this brush. I will going to brush it up a bit. So after that only I will going to start with eyeshadow look. I means the main hero on this makeup. So I am going to start with eyeshadow. Before that, on that time I forgot to apply setting powder. On that time, oh my god, I'm missing something out. On that time only I took that sugar setting powder. I just love that powder. I just love that powder. Then I am going to apply on my underneath my eyes and also on my near my cheekbone area, because I want to give some highlighting look over there. I want to highlight those parts. You can see how I am applying. By that only you can understand. So then I will going to start with my eye look. So at first I will going to take this kind of creamy shade and going to use it as a base shade on all over my upper eyelid as well as I can. I will going to blend it up on my upper eyelid on both of my eyes. Then today I thought to make kind of smoky eyes, I will going to use black shade. I am very scared of black shade, guys. At first I'm thinking I'm taking a risk, I guess, because if something went wrong then my whole makeup look will going to destroy. So I'm little bit scared of this black color as a eyeshadow, but I just love black. I am like a black obsessed person. So I'm going to take black shade and going to apply this black shade from my inner corner of my eyes to my middle part of my eyes. So I will not going to apply this black shade all over my eyelid, just from my inner corner to my from inner corner to my middle part of my eyes. You can see how I am applying. By that only you can understand. I don't know how I am explaining. I am trying to explain you all, but by watching you can understand how I am doing. So on both of my eyes I am going to do. Then yeah, kind of it looking nice. Then I am going to take this deep brown and light brown shade and going to mix it up and going to apply on my outer V of my eyes. By watching you can understand how I'm applying. So I'm going to make kind of gradient look. So I'm just doing like that only on my inner to outer part of my eyes. I'm going to mix it up with this black shade also and with this base shade also. So yeah, it's looking nice, guys. At first I'm getting scared, but I just won this challenge. Yay. So yeah, it's looking good. Then I will going to apply this setting powder all over my face and I will going to brush it out, the setting powder. So yeah, it's looking nice. Then I will going to apply kajal, Nykaa's kajal. It's a very good kajal. I'm just love with this kajal. It's an awesome kajal and I guess most of you all use this kajal only. Then I'm going to apply this kajal on my upper waterline and lower waterline. And then I will going to take a small brush and going to smoke it out a bit. Because it is a smoky eye look, I will going to smoke it out. A kajal, I will going to smoke it out this kajal brush with this small brush. And then I will going to take brown shade, the lighter brown shade, and going to mix it up with kajal and same process I will going to smoke it out. And I love this kind of smoky looks, and these smoky looks just highlight your face, highlight your eyes, and your eyes looks gorgeous with these smoky looks. Everyone suits this everyone suit on this smoky looks. Just go for it, guys. I just say on this Durga Puja you should try this kind of makeup look, this kind of eyeshadow look. Then I will going to apply mascara all over my eyelashes. So I'm just going to say that eyelid. Then oh my god, no, I'm going to apply mascara on my eyelashes, sorry. So eyelashes, this is a hyper curl mascara by Maybelline, and then I'm going to apply this Miss Claire palette. I'm going to use this Miss Claire palette. It's a versatile palette. I'm going to take this bronzy shade. I will going to contour my face. So from contouring, start from my from your ears. From where your ears start, you also start from there only, contouring from there to all over your cheekbone, how much you have. You can see how it's look, and I don't know how I'm explaining, but by watching you can understand how you should apply bronzer or contour, how you should contour or bronze your face. And I will also going to contour on my jawline also, so you can see, and blend it up as well as you can. Contour or bronzer needs a very good blending. So yeah, it's done. Then I will going to do, yeah, I will going to take this blush, kind of peachy pinkish shade, and going to put this blush on my cheeks and also a bit on my nose. And I love putting blush on my nose, it looks so cute. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and going to dab all over my face. Then I am going to apply Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. I forgot to shoot that part. Then I will going to comb my hair. So then I will going to apply this Stay Quirky mini lipsticks. First I will going to take this nude shade and going to apply all over my lips. Because I make a very bold eye look, I just want to make my lips very subtle. So I take this nude shade. Then I will going to take one kind of pinkish shade, kind of deep pink only. Then I am going to apply that lipstick on my inner part of my lips. Then I will going to apply blend the lipstick as well as I can. Then I am going to put some very simple hoops, kind of not that chunky, also kind of chunky hoops, because I make a very heavy makeup look, kind of on my eyes it's a very heavy, so I just want to pair it up with a very simple something very simple. So yeah, this is my complete makeup look. I guess you all will going to love this makeup look. This makeup look is kind of versatile. You can pair it up with your ethnic look also by putting some bindis and kind different earrings. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I guess you should try this kind of makeup look in this puja, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe guys. More this kind of video will come in this week only, and don't forget to press the chotu sa bell icon near the subscribe button, and bye guys.